Did you know that your body has a built-in alarm system that detects when you're about to sneeze? Yes, it's true. When you feel that tickle in your nose, it's like a fire alarm going off in your body. Here's the fun fact. Your sneeze can travel at over 100 miles per hour. That's faster than a cheetah sprinting. Can you believe it? Sneezing is like your body's way of launching a mini rocket. But wait, there's more. A sneeze can shoot out around 100,000 droplets into the air. That's like a tiny rainstorm, but instead of water, it's particles that can carry germs. So next time you sneeze, think about the mini weather system you're creating. And here's a funny thought. Ever tried to hold in a sneeze? It's like trying to stop a fireworks show with your bare hands. Your body just won't let it happen because sneezing is essential for clearing out irritants. So, the next time you feel that tickle, remember the power of your sneeze. It's your body's way of saying, out with the bad, in with the good. How do you feel about the science behind your body's natural defenses?